Hello, everyone. This is Mike. Welcome back to 8 Story English Podcast. Before we start today's story, I want you to take a deep breath. Find a comfortable place, relax, and just listen. You can listen to our stories anywhere, while you are at work, driving your car, sitting on the metro, or even during a walk. You don't need to understand every word. Just enjoy the story and let your ears get used to the English language. Let's start our journey. Sam stands in front of the Sunrise Hotel. The building is tall and modern. The glass doors shine under the lights. Cars pass in front of the hotel. Sam feels tired after his long flight and taxi ride. He carries 2 heavy bags. He also carries a small bag of fruit. His shoulders hurt. He walks slowly toward the entrance. The doors open automatically. Cool air touches his face. The lobby is large and quiet. Soft music plays in the background. There are comfortable sofas near the window. A large clock hangs on the wall. Sam walks to the reception desk. A woman stands behind the desk. She looks at him and smiles. "Good evening," Maria says. "Good evening," Sam says. "Welcome to the Sunrise Hotel," Maria says. "Thank you," Sam says. "I have a reservation." "What is your last name, please?" Maria asks. "Miller," Sam says. "Can you spell that, please?" Maria asks. "M-I-L-L-E," Sam says. "Thank you," Maria says. "One moment, please." Maria looks at her computer screen. She types slowly. Sam waits quietly. He looks at a small plant on the desk. He hears the sound of a printer. "Yes, Mr. Miller," Maria says. "I see your reservation. You have a single room for 3 nights. You will check out on Friday." "Yes, that is correct," Sam says. "May I see your passport, please?" Maria asks. "Yes, of course," Sam says. He gives her his passport. Maria looks at the photo. "Is this your current address?" Maria asks. "Yes," Sam says. "And your phone number?" Maria asks. "Yes," Sam says. "Everything looks good." Maria says, "We need a credit card for the deposit." "Is the deposit charged now?" Sam asks. "No," Maria says. "It is only blocked on your card." "Okay," Sam says. He gives her his card. "Please sign here," Maria says. Sam signs the paper. "Thank you," Maria says. Sam looks around the lobby again. "I have a few questions," Sam says. "Of course," Maria says. "Is breakfast included?" Sam asks. "Yes," Maria says. "Breakfast is included." "It is from 7 to 10 in the morning." "Where is the restaurant?" Sam asks. It is on the ground floor, Maria says, next to the cafe. Is there free Wi-Fi? Sam asks. Yes, Maria says. The password is on your key card. Is the Wi-Fi fast? Sam asks. Yes, Maria says. It is very stable. Is there a gym in the hotel? Sam asks. Yes, Maria says. It is on the third floor. What time does it open? Sam asks. It opens at 6 in the morning. Maria says. That is good. Sam says. I may use it tomorrow. Is late checkout possible? Sam asks. Yes, Maria says. You can request it on your last day. Thank you, Sam says. Your room number is 214, Maria says. It is on the second floor. Is it a quiet room? Sam asks. Yes, Maria says. It is at the end of the hallway. I need a quiet room, Sam says. It is very quiet, Maria says. Is it one large bed? Sam asks. Yes, Maria says. It is one large bed. Okay, Sam says. I just wanted to confirm. That is fine, Maria says. It is good to confirm. Maria prepares the key card. She gives it to Sam. Here is your key, Maria says. If you need anything, please call reception. Thank you, Sam says. Do you need help with your luggage? Maria asks. No, thank you, Sam says. I can carry it. Sam takes the elevator to the second floor. The elevator moves slowly. He walks down a long hallway. The carpet is soft. The lights are warm. He finds room 214. He puts the key card near the door. The light turns green. The door opens. Sam walks inside. The room is clean and simple. There is one large bed. There is a desk near the window. There is a small fridge in the corner. Sam puts his bags on the floor. He sits on the bed. The bed feels soft. He stands up and looks around. He opens the curtains. He can see the city lights. He smiles. Then he feels something. The room feels warm. Sam looks at the air conditioner. He finds the remote control. He presses a button. Nothing happens. He presses again. Still nothing. It is not working, Sam says. He checks the wall switch. Nothing happens. The room is too warm, Sam says. I will call reception. Sam picks up the phone. Hello? Sam asks. Yes, Mr. Miller, Maria asks. Is everything okay? No, Sam says. The air conditioner is not working. The room feels warm. I am very sorry, Maria says. I will send someone immediately. Thank you, Sam says. 10 minutes later, someone knocks on the door. Sam opens the door. A hotel staff member stands outside. Good evening, the man says. I am here to check the air conditioner. Please come in, Sam says. The man looks at the machine. He checks the remote. He presses a small switch near the wall. The machine makes a sound. Cold air begins to flow. "Oh," Sam says, "it is working now." "Yes," the man says, "the main switch was off." "Thank you," Sam says. "You are welcome," the man says. The man leaves the room. Sam closes the door. He stands near the air conditioner. The cool air feels good. He takes his phone. He connects to the Wi-Fi. He sends a message. "I am at the hotel," Sam writes. "The room is comfortable." He puts his phone on the desk. He takes a bottle of water from the fridge. He sits on the bed again. The room is quiet. The air is cool. Sam lies down slowly. After a long journey, he is finally resting. Sam stands near the window. He looks at the city lights outside. Cars move slowly on the street below. The room is quiet. The air feels cool. He closes the curtains. He puts his passport inside the drawer. He places the key card on the desk. He sets an alarm on his phone. 7 a.m. He sits on the bed for a moment. He turns off the light. The room becomes dark. Sam lies down slowly. He closes his eyes.